Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. I'm really excited to finally start this journey. I woke up and make coffee for myself.
बिकॉज कैफीन इनटेक इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. बिना कैफीन इनटेक के तो हमारा काम हो ही नहीं सकता. दिमाग ही नहीं चलता है हमारा.
After getting ready, we headed out of the apartment for class.
After doing some random talks in lift, we are on the way to class. See, this is outside of my house. Very beautiful, very calm.
Wow, what a beautiful weather it is. इसमें कौन क्लास जाता है यार? After reaching the bus stop, we waited for the bus and continued on to class.
जिसमें हमारा बिल्कुल भी जाने का मन नहीं करता है गाइस.
जिसमें हमारी आज दो क्लास है. पहले हमारी ऑस्टा है, फिर उसके बाद हमारी फार्माकोलॉजी है. So much hectic guys. कितना क्राउडेड है यार सुबह सुबह ही. This is the way to our ऑस्टा क्लास. क्यों भाग रही है? रुक जा, मैं भी आ रही हूँ तेरे पीछे पीछे. This is the ऑस्टा department. When we reached there, the sir was already there. After that, the sir took attendance and sir told us to prepare the today topic.
जो हमारे बाएं हाथ का खेल था गाइस.
Ma'am came and showed us some clinical instrument.
After this, we headed to our next class, pharmacology. On the way, we met our other classmate and groupmate, and after that, we talked too much.
हमारा डिस्कशन ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रहा था क्योंकि हम बाहर जाने का प्लान बना रहे थे जो कि कभी सक्सेसफुल होता ही नहीं है. As you know, discussion is still going on. Like this, we reached the bus stop and took the bus for university. This is our university campus, which is very beautiful.
Now we are heading to our pharmacology class. There was too much rush near lift, so we took stairs and went up. It was only on second floor, so we are capable of doing this without any exhaustion. We were little bit late, so we thought we would be the last one to enter, but no, we are the first one to come to the class, guys.
Sir gave us question along with case study. Everyone became completely focused and serious about completing the question and the case study. The whole class went quiet and each student started concentrating on their work and trying to understand the case properly.
Now the class is over.
Everyone is packing up to head home. Look at my groupmate who is also looking at me as I am recording the video. After finishing our class, we went downstairs together and exited the university building. Everyone was chatting and walking toward the bus stop, getting ready to catch the bus and home after a long day of lecture and activities. Here is my girl gang showing off their outfit.
Yay!
Finally, the bus arrived and we all got on, finding our seat and settling it. The ride home was calm but fun. The sunlight streaming through the window made everything look warm and cozy. Some of us were sharing stories, others were listening to music, and few were just gazing out of the window, lost in their thoughts. I captured some moment of our laughter and the little conversation happening around me. We walked toward our apartment area and we could finally relax knowing we were almost home. You wanna say anything?
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू हर यूट्यूब चैनल. आज हम देखेंगे कि हम घर कैसे पहुंचे. क्लास से हमें कोई मतलब नहीं है, तो हम घर आना जाना भी दिखा सकते हैं. ओके गाइस, बाय गाइस.
I just dropped my bag, ate something because I was very hungry, and then took a nap. After taking a refreshing nap, I got back to studying for a while to catch up my work. Later, I went out buy a few things I needed. The supermarket I usually go to is Korzinka. It's convenient and has almost everything I need, so I often stop by there. After picking out the items I needed, I went to the billing and then carefully packed everything into my carry bag. I realized I had a lot of things to carry, so I decided to take a cab. Living far from home as a medical student isn't easy. Managing everything on your own, from classes and studying to cooking, shopping, and running errands, can be really challenging. Every day requires planning and organizing, whether it's carrying heavy bags from the supermarket, catching buses, or making time for the rest and study. Even small tasks feel bigger when you are handling them alone in a new city, far away from family. But despite all the challenges, these experiences teach you independence, responsibility, and how to manage your day efficiently. It's all part of life as a medical student. I took some time to relax and talk to my little love. And for dinner, what is this?
It is khadina. Aditi Rao Hydari favorite dish which we have tried from YouTube. Okay?
Okay, nice. You made for me?
Yes. For you, Sam.
Thank you so much. I love you.
Love you too.
After dinner, I studied a bit and then went to sleep after a long hectic day. That's all for today, guys. Good night.